Hello everyone, so this is the video lesson 15 and in this video lesson we will discuss the another type of the thin film which is not parallel. Okay, so this is the thin film in which the upper layer and the lower layer is inclined at some low angle value. Okay, so this is known as the wedge shaped thin film interference. And let's see the figure. I try to draw it. Okay, so this is the figure. In this figure, OPQ is the inclined thin film and the angle of inclination is theta. Okay, O is the point of contact. At point O, the thickness of the film is 0, and as we move far from the O point toward the exterior of the film, that means towards the P and Q, the thickness of the film increases regularly. Here there is a monochromatic light source. The light fall on the upper surface OP at point capital A. At this point, the light, some part of the light reflected back. However, the another part is transmitted into the medium and reaches at point B. At point B, there is again reflection and refraction. Here, BC is the reflected part, and at point C, there is again reflection and refraction, and the light at point C is refracted into the air, giving the ray number 2. Okay, so in this way we obtain ray 1 and ray 2. Ray 1 and ray 2 fulfill all the conditions of the interference. Okay, so the interference pattern may be seen in the reflected light in this case. So 1 and 2 are the rays 1 and 2 are more and less, they are parallel to each other, and therefore they fulfill all the conditions. Now let's see the other drawing, which is very essential for our ray optics calculation. Okay, so for the reflection at this point, at point A, we draw a normal. The dotted line is the normal. This is the normal. At point B, there is again reflection, so the dotted line here, this line is the normal, and these two normal meet at point E. Okay, so the angle between these two normal is theta, because the angle between the planes is theta, and this is the rule. The angle between the plane is the angle between the normals. Okay, so see here, these two planes are parallel to each other, and the dotted lines are the normals. Since the planes are parallel, therefore the normals are parallel to each other. Here these are the two planes inclined at angle theta, and dotted lines are the normals on these surfaces, so the angle between the normal is theta. Okay, so by this rule, this is theta, then this angle will also be equal to theta. Now see, this is the angle of incidence I. Here this is the angle of refraction small r. Now see the triangle BAE. Okay, in this triangle, this angle is the exterior angle of this triangle. Okay, so what is the rule about the exterior angle? So you can see here, this is the triangle. Here D is the exterior angle, A and B are the interior angle, so D is equal to A plus B. So we use this rule here. So this angle will be the sum of R and theta. So this angle is equal to r plus theta, because this angle is the exterior angle, and at point B there is a reflection. Okay, so the corresponding angle, the nearby angle, the corresponding angle will be equal and therefore the near angle will also be equal to r plus theta. So both angle will be r plus theta and r plus theta. Okay, now see here again, this angle is r plus theta. Okay, so this angle is r plus theta. Here you can see the figure that the triangle CBF. Okay, this is the line extended by the dotted line along the ray AB, and this line meet at point F with this dotted line. Okay, so this is the normal on this surface. There is another normal this, and there is a one more normal. This dotted line is the normal. CN, this is the end point, is the normal on this surface. So now let's see, the complete angle is twice r plus theta, and this complete angle twice r plus theta is the exterior angle of this triangle. Which triangle? CBF. And this triangle, this angle is already r plus theta. Then what is the value of this angle? The value of this angle is r plus theta, because the complete angle is here, the exterior angle is the twice r plus theta. This angle is r plus theta, so you know that the sum of two interior angle is equal to the exterior angle, so this angle must be r plus theta. So you can see that the two angles are equal. Here this angle is also 90, this is 90, therefore this angle and this angle will also be equal. Hence we can say that these two are the right triangles. Which two triangles? BDC and BDF are the similar triangle at all. It means BC, this arm is equal to BF, and CD is equal to DF. Okay, here we let CD is equal to T. T is the thickness at point C. Okay, because this is the inclined film, so the thickness is continuously varying point to point. At this particular point we let the thickness equal to T, and mu is the refractive index of the medium. So in order to calculate the path difference, we draw the normal CM. Okay, so beyond the M point and beyond the C point, the two rays are parallel to each other, so there is no path difference beyond M and beyond C. There is only one possibility of the path difference from the back side, so we will discuss in the next video lesson. Thank you.